Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, we will be working with Kemy Hair. So thank you to Kemy Hair for sponsoring today's video. As you guys can see, this is a 4x4 lace closure wig in 26 inches and 150% density. And you guys seen in the beginning clips, I did try to do some bubble wand curls for the very first time, and it was a look. Okay, so here I'm just bleaching the knots, and at first I wasn't sure if I wanted to bleach the knots on this wig because it is a colored wig, so I wasn't too sure, but I did go ahead, as you guys can see, and I did bleach my knots. I used the BW bleaching powder and 30 volume developer. So yeah, so I just went in and bleached the knots. Like I said, I wasn't sure if I wanted to. I think I left the bleach on for about like 20 minutes maybe. And of course I had to pluck this closure. You guys know I usually pluck all my units just to give it a very more, that doesn't make sense. I usually pluck all my units to just give it a more natural look. So here I am just plucking my closure so we can get it to look like scalp, okay? Because anytime we are wearing a lace wig, we want it to look like our scalp, period. So here I'm just flattening out my part, and you guys can see I already did one side or off camera. So here I'm just showing you guys. I mean, if you guys have watched my past hair videos, you guys know the drill. My two favorite products is my hot comb and my wax stick. Like those two, that's all I really need for my wig installs. So now it's time for the curls, and you guys, I was so excited to try this new bubble wand curl that I got from Amazon. I will try my best to link it in the description box down below. Hopefully I don't forget, but I will link it down below. But this is from Amazon, and you guys will hear me say later on in the video that I literally just brought this wand curler because I had an idea in mind of how I wanted to wear this wig. I literally went on Amazon and ordered it. So I was so excited to try out this bubble wand curler. This is my first time ever using it, and I'm so happy with how it came out. I think the curls were so beautiful. One thing I did realize though is when I was combing through the curls, it did make the hair very big, and you guys will hear me say that I wanted the hair big, but as I was combing it, it made it like kind of like frizzy. So I kind of wish I didn't really comb through it a lot because it kind of like messed up the curls a little bit. But like I said, it's my first time using this. I really didn't know what to expect. I didn't know how the curls was gonna turn out, but honestly it was so cute. It was a look, and I'm so happy with how everything came out. As you can see, majority of my hair is curled. It's just so much easier for me to curl it on my mannequin head, so that's why I curled like majority of it off of my head, because trying to curl this on my head is just so difficult for me. Like, I don't know what it is. I left these front pieces not done yet because I like to do these pieces while the wig is on my head. That's what we're going to be doing, these pieces in the front right here. This is my first time using this bubble wand, you guys, so bear with me. I really don't even know if I'm doing this the right way, but I think I did pretty good. It is a little difficult using this though, I'm not gonna lie to you, because at first I was using the glove, but I feel like with the glove you can't really hold the hair like that, so I switched to like just using my hands. So that's what we're going to be doing, just these front pieces real quick, and then we're gonna start installing this hair because I'm so ready to install this wig, y'all. I'm so ready. So I like to hold the hair a little bit, lock in the heat so it can hold the curl. Like, look how pretty these curls are, you guys. I'm so happy how this came out. I didn't know how it was gonna work out for me, so I'm really happy about that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm trying to put the hair in between the bubble wand because I think that's how you're supposed to do it. I really don't know. Like, I literally just brought this curling wand, y'all, like just a couple of days ago. Like, literally just brought it, so I'm not too sure on how to use it, but I really like how the curls came out though. They look so good, so I'm really happy about that. I keep it on for about like 10 to 15 seconds. Nothing too crazy. Thank you to those of you who voted on my YouTube community tab, because I asked you guys if I should do a middle part or a side part, and majority of you guys voted for a middle part. So thank you to those who voted, because y'all helped me out because I did not know if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part. And the middle part looks good, okay? And I still have my lace on this wig, so if y'all see it right there, it's still on there. And boom, we got one side. I'm combing these out too because they look a little puffy. Not puffy, but I feel like I want like big fluffy hair, so yeah.
You can't cut too. Come through. I like it cause you can't cut too.
Kind of bitch, she be saying some shit like when you gon' fly me in private so I can land on that dick. She said tricks for kids, she don't fall for the tricks. She can handle her own, she just wants some dick. Got that big Birkin bag worth 5-6 figures. Might be out your league, can you buy that nigga? I pull up on the top, going on the dawn, on the dawn. You can fuck around if you want, if you want. House college, big swing, big dress, big ass, niggas work, nigga, big less. Before we done shakes, what we gonna do it next? Next, when it fucked up the seats in the jet. She like all that gangsta shit. Top down, ride around with the whip. Who you with? Whoa. She like all that gangsta shit. I said she like all that gangsta shit. She wanna fuck with me. She wanna fuck with me.
So here I am just spraying this oil sheen on my hair, and I believe this is the argan oil. I don't remember off the top of my head. So here I'm just combing through the curls, and you guys can see like how much bigger this hair got, and it honestly created so much volume, which is kind of what I was going for. So I'm not mad at it, but I kind of wish I didn't comb through it as much, but it was still a look. Here's the finished product, you guys. I think it came out so beautiful. I really loved how this look turned out. If you guys are interested in this wig, all information will be in the description box down below. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in my next video.